Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and a brand new video. Now, I didn't have a video last week, so I'm very sorry. Life, and now we have a heat wave in the UK, I think pretty much all over. If it's reached Scotland, it's pretty much everywhere else. Today's video, we're just going to talk about the travel plans that I have for the rest of this year, the kind of vlogs that are going to be coming up on the channel, and maybe even a little announcement about my next Disney trip, which is a little bit far away. Now, if you're a regular to the channel, you'll know that I've already been on a trip earlier this year, actually two. I was in Leeds in January, and then I was in Glasgow and Edinburgh at the very end of February and the very start of March. And my next trip is actually a week on Thursday. Now, the date today is currently the 26th of May. It's a Tuesday. This video is literally going up tomorrow. And a week on Thursday, the 4th of June, I'm off to London for 2 nights. I am going to see my favourite K-pop girl group Twice, and that's on the Thursday night. And then the Friday is just like an Explore London day. I'm going to show Dan some bits and pieces in London. We're going to go to lots of shops. We're going to go to Borough Market. We're going to go to Harrods, Oxford Street, Disney Store, obviously. There's a mega Forbidden Planet there as well. So of course I'm going to vlog it. I might even vlog the Twice part separately because it's the last date of the tour. So I'm thinking maybe like a separate vlog for the Twice K-pop stuff and then keep the London stuff together as well. Maybe put in a couple of clips of the concert, maybe like only 2 or 3. I did it once before when I did a London vlog as well. Let me know what you think about that though, because it just keeps the London and the K-pop part separate. And that's with Dan, one of my previous housemates. And then following on from that on the Saturday morning, we're going off to Blackpool for 2 nights, straight from London for Pride. It's the 20th anniversary of Blackpool Pride. And our other old housemate, James, he's coming down to Blackpool and he's meeting us there. And our trains get in at exactly the same time. There's a free street party the Saturday and Sunday, so we've got free wristbands to collect for that because we registered to get the free wristbands, and that's the Saturday, so we'll, big night out Saturday. And then the Sunday, street party's on again, and we'll see what we end up doing. I think we want to go to like the arcades, do proper Blackpool stuff. Hopefully the weather will be nice, ice cream by the beach, arcades, that kind of thing. And they've also got a Wendy's there too. There's not very many in the UK, but there's one in Blackpool, so I want to go to the Wendy's that's there. It's along the beachfront, or the promenade, they call it, don't they, in Blackpool? And then the Monday, come home and probably collapse from being destroyed for 4 nights, because London to Blackpool, it's going to be a lot, but it's going to be good, it's going to be fun, and I'll be filming the Blackpool stuff separately as well. So there's a few different vlogs to come from that, and of course, a hotel room tour. Not from Blackpool, because I've stayed in the Premier Inn before, but I'm staying at the Travelodge Covent Garden in an actual twin room. It's not just a double and a single bed, it's a proper twin bed situation, which is going to be nice. The next trip after that is, I've got 1 night on the 1st of August, but I don't know where I'm going yet, and that is just a night out. But if I end up filming anything, then I'll make it a vlog, but we're not quite sure where we're going. It's a night out for Dan's birthday, a belated one, because his birthday actually falls 2 weeks after the London and Pride stuff, so money-wise, that's not really possible to go away 2 weeks after a 4-night trip, so we're going away in August instead. I know it's a little bit after, but it's fine, it's cool. But the next trip after that is actually in September, and that's for another concert. I'm off to see Hilary Duff in September in Manchester, and we're actually making it a 2-night trip. The concert is on a Saturday, and we're going to have all day Sunday to kind of explore and see what we do in Manchester. There's a really cool Japanese place that's very anime style. It's basically full black and white. It's basically like everything's been hand-drawn. I'm doing a rubbish job of explaining it, but it's so cool. So we're going to get booked in there for the Sunday, and then obviously come home the Monday. So that'll be really nice as well. I think that's it for this year. Trip-wise, there's just those 2, but in 3 different places. And I'm sure what you're wanting to hear about is the Disney trip. The Disney trip, I wasn't sure whether I was going to mention this early, but the trip is basically happening because me and Joseph have spoken about it for such a long time that we're definitely going to obviously do it. And that is Disneyland Paris's 35th anniversary, which is it starts in April of next year, 2027. We think we're going in about September time, just before Halloween kicks in, because usually what happens is they'll have all this lovely anniversary stuff, and then Halloween and Christmas come along, and they kind of take most of it away and replace it with Halloween and Christmas. So we really want to experience it fully, the 35th. That's what we want to do. So that's what we're going to do. We don't exactly know what hotel we're staying in at the moment. We haven't decided yet. There is no prices out or anything like that. But we are going to go for as long as we possibly can, possibly the longest trip yet. Normally we do 5 nights. I think we're going to push for 6, just with Disney Adventure World and stuff and exploring all of that. I think it'll be an amazing trip, and I really can't wait to actually get back and see everything, because it has been a hell of a long time. My last trip was 2023. Obviously with doing Disneyland over in Anaheim the last 2 years, 24 and 25, and no Disney trips this year. So yeah, it's a long time coming, and that will of course 100% be vlogged. Definitely. I wish I had more to say on this trip, but I just don't, because there's no like fine details. It's just the trip is happening, we're going in this particular month, and that's all we have. And I'm already saving for it. So that's what I've got to say on that one. And that brings us to the end of this little travel plans video. And that brings us to the end of the travel plans video. Today, as I said, is the 26th of May, and it's Oliver's birthday. It is. He's 11 today, aren't you? Don't look a day over 10. Mwah. On you go. But that's it for the video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got any travel plans yourself this year. Let me know where you're going. Tell me about all your Disney plans. Make me incredibly jealous. Hit the big red subscribe button. Tinkle the notification bell, so you're notified every time a video goes live. And that is it. I'll see you real soon. I've been Disney Matt. Thank you for watching. Bye, everyone.